Now please look at the demonstration of electric car jack and electric jack. Operation instruction. 1. Stop and brake a vehicle or use wheel chucks to fix wheels. 2. Insert the plug into the socket of automobile cigar lighter directly to get power. 3. Choose proper saddle according to vehicle model. Place electric lifting jack under the chassis bracket. 4. Press the rise key to lift the car body until wheels leave the floor. 5. Use electric wrench or the diagonal form of telescopic wrench to disassemble nuts of rims one by one. 6. Assemble spare tire and refasten the nuts of rims. 7. Press down key on the switchboard to lower the car completely after repairing. 8. Clean the electric car jack and put it back to the box. Meanwhile, deliver the car to the maintenance center as soon as possible.